Okay guys, join me, let's eat. This is starch and egusi soup. I made it by myself, so this is not eatery, this is my house. I made it myself, so I really thank God that I was able to make this starch, because it has been long I make starch. So sweet. The egusi soup will say sweet, oh, men I can't join me. I bought stuffed fish 2000. Stuffed fish 2000, very small. Well, Nigeria, you guys are already trying now. Nigerians, my people, now they try. Share this video. If you know that you want me to give it giveaway, share this video. My giveaway is coming. I don't want to announce it. I don't want to announce it. I want to monetize first. So let's monetize first. Let's also have bread give us monetization next month. Let's work hard, okay? By sharing, commenting, inviting friends to join. Okay, thank you so much. Share the video, okay? I want to do after monetization, I'll throw a party. Now so I would give that time. Now so I would give everything. That day 100,000 not already safe. We are to do giveaway, but let me monetize first. Let's work hard, okay? I'll be giving this page. Let's work hard, okay? You're my real follower, please. Let's work hard, okay? Thank you so much. I'm also hard working hard so we can monetize this September, okay? Please. Thank you so much. Share the video.